Hi, I'm Malerim Shales, a solicitor specializing in business immigration and global talent visas. If you're applying for a global talent visa in the digital tech pathway, there is an important update you need to know. TechNation has officially been reappointed as the endorsing body, and the new contract will run for at least 3 years. As a result, there will be minor changes to how you apply for endorsement starting from 1st of August 2025. If you're applying on or before 3rd of August 2025, you must complete both Stage 1 and TechNation applications. Your application will be rejected if you only complete one of these forms. From 4th of August 2025 onwards, you will only need to complete the updated Global Talent Stage 1 form on Gov.uk website. The separate TechNation form will no longer be required and will be removed. This change is designed to simplify the process and ensure greater consistency across the global talent visa routes. If you're planning to apply and want to make sure everything is done correctly, feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching.